got this.
So let's unbox this welcome kit. So let me tell you, this is a welcome kit hamper from Marrow team, and this hamper you can get it after completing 40 sales in Marrow. If anyone wants Marrow ambassadorship, let me know in the DM section or on Instagram. Or if you want any ambassadorship of prep ladder also, so you can contact me. For getting all these benefits, you can message me, contact me on Instagram. I can share you the details. Thank you so much for watching.